Welcome to 882 Toovey in Black Mountain, Kelowna. This beautiful home has lots of character and would be a great place for a bed and breakfast. You have your hot tub, an in-ground pool, and your beautiful Okanagan Lake views where you can enjoy watching the weather roll by, whether you have sunshine or rainbows. This is a perfect spot for entertaining family and friends, barbecues, pool parties, family birthdays. You'll have so much wonderful time inside this property. Enjoy a lot of privacy with cedar hedges and privacy fence right alongside of your pool.